welcome back to my channel Simple and Easy Cooking. And today I'm making a very simple recipe that you mostly use in the summertime. I'm making a homemade salsa, simple, tasty, fresh. And for this we need a jalapeno. I'm using about 4 jalapeno and 5-6 green tomatoes, 2 red tomatoes, 1 onion, and also some fresh cilantro, some mint leaves, and some Italian basil, just like 5-6 leaves for smell, and lemon juice, olive oil. I'm using a pink salt, you can use a regular salt also, and black pepper. So let's get started. I'm just gonna make the big chunks like this. I already washed all the veggies. You can take out the seeds if you don't like spicy, but we like spicy, so I'm not taking out the seeds. And make sure when you use a grinder for salsa, because I'm not making a puree. I want a little bit chunky salsa, so I'm not pressing it on the one time so it's blend, it's gonna make puree. So we just do like this. So it's can just chop it, but not make a puree, because we need a chunky salsa. Now I'm gonna check. You can see it's chunky. Add into bowl. I'm only using a 2 red tomato. If you like more, you can add more, but this salsa is based on like a more green, so now we're gonna chop these herbs. Mint leaves and basil leaves, they're gonna give the very nice fresh aroma and also enhance the taste. In that we're going to add lemon juice. It's about 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice and 2 spoons of olive oil, little bit pink salt. You can also use a regular salt if you don't have a pink salt, or you can use black salt too, just a little bit. That's it. And some sprinkles of black pepper. That's it. So here is our salsa is ready, and you can serve as your choice, whichever way you like. So I'm serving like that, and you can also use this whenever you're making a homemade tacos. So this is going to be a good topping. It tastes good. I hope you guys like this recipe. Let me know in the comment box if you have any questions or anything you ask me. So subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you so much, guys.